Alright, got a Cadillac, what is that, Srx?
Yeah.
4 here, was towed here from the Cadillac dealer, and they diagnosed it with having a bad transmission. So we don't have to diagnose it, but Tony over here found something. What's this? And what he found was the drive shaft. Drive shaft carrier bearings messed up. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, Billy. Yep, that is gone. So they didn't tell us that. So that's going to have to be replaced. Also, when we remove this, we show y'all these bolts. See what happens when rust is up here in the rust belt? Those got to be cut off. They are no good, and they're on both sides. They're going to have to be replaced. So they're going to have to be blown off. You can, I mean, you know, it's not even nothing for the socket to hold on to. That's on the one side, and that is on the other side right here. See, it's barely holding anything here. So these are going to have to be replaced with new gaskets and stuff. So that's something extra that has to be done. Hopefully there's nothing else. The lines here got a bit of rust on them, but they look still kind of solid. Yeah, if they got to be replaced, then they will. But yeah, they look kind of solid. So
what's up here with this oil leak?
Okay, got engine oil leaks. Billy is showing you right there. That's engine down right there. So all right, so
Here's the rack one.
Okay,
it's all right here. See inside here, the seal inside the boot.
Okay, look like it's leaking from the rack here too.
Okay.
All right, so brake lines up there don't look too good. Let's see, right up there, they don't look good at all. They're going to be breaking and leaking first. They always leak first, so those will have to be taken care of one day. All right, let's get it going.